Hey guys, so today is the day before I am traveling. So I have already done my packing. It took a lot of time. Care must be taken to obviously travel in this COVID situation, but I am finally going back to Bangalore.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was.
I'm in Kolkata airport and it's raining here and I'm damn hungry, so I just ordered a sandwich and a cold coffee. So I'm waiting for it. I'll have my next flight at 5:20. So yeah, that's the longest one. So I'm just sitting here now.
At least it was worth the try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time.
So I'm done eating and also I bought a thing. I shopped a little bit for exercise. And I'm just sitting. In another 10-15 minutes I'll board. The weather here is really pleasant, as in it's drizzling a bit, but I kind of like it. So yeah, finally we'll be going back. I'm super excited, little bit nervous, but yeah, let's just see.
Fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. You know, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it
Reached here, so now I'm waiting to collect my luggage. There's a huge crowd, so I'm just waiting very far from the belt. So yeah, I'll take my bag and then move on for the checkout.
Open eye, Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Meanwhile, I booked my cab. I'm going in an Uber. It's gonna take 5 minutes. So I decided to have some chai. I was craving for some tea. So yeah, I'm having my chai. Feels little warm inside, but apparently the weather is pretty nice. So yeah, let's just see.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'll surrender.
One eternity later.
Okay, I am back after a long time because I came, I think, around 10 p.m. and then I took a proper bath, washed my clothes, had my dinner. Then also I unpacked everything. I've just kept it in their respective places. I have this weird habit of unpacking on the same day I arrive. So I've done all of that. It's pretty late now. It's 3 a.m. and also I did my skincare, because of which my skin looks quite oily. Now I'm about to hit bed. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoy watching this vlog sort of a video. If you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also do not forget to hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll be back super soon next week. Until then, bye. Okay, checking back in the next day, I just read it today morning that apparently yesterday itself Karnataka government has scraped out all the quarantine rules. We don't have any rules now. So apparently there are just two basic rules. One is obviously wearing your masks once you leave your house, and second is maintaining social distance. And yeah, one more thing is that to kind of use hand sanitizers and all of that. So I guess that's the reason that I didn't have to go through any checks here. No one actually checked my temperature, also no hand stamping, and then nothing was put out outside my home, as in like the home quarantine poster. So yeah, that's about it. Apparently now you can travel to Karnataka without any restrictions. So yeah, that's it for the information part.